Here are 10 general investment options that you may want to consider. 1. Stocks. Investing in stocks can potentially provide high returns, but it is also associated with high risks. 2. Mutual funds. A mutual fund is a professionally managed investment fund that pools money from multiple investors to purchase securities. 3. Exchange-traded funds ETF. An ETF is a type of investment fund that is traded on stock exchanges, similar to stocks. 4. Real estate. Investing in real estate can potentially provide a steady source of income through rental properties, as well as capital appreciation over time. 5. Bonds. Investing in bonds can provide fixed income and lower risk than stocks. 6. Certificate of Deposit (CD). A CD is a type of savings account that typically provides a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts, but with limited access to funds. 7. Peer-to-peer lending. P2P lending allows investors to lend money directly to individuals or businesses, typically for a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts. 8. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have become popular investment options, but they are also associated with high volatility and risk. 9. Commodities. Investing in commodities like gold, oil, and agricultural products can potentially provide diversification and protection against inflation. 10. Retirement accounts. Investing in retirement accounts like 401ks and IRA can provide tax benefits and long-term growth potential. For more videos, please subscribe.